Okay, my students, I'm going to make a video today and then I'll make a video tomorrow. This one's going to focus on graphing and tomorrow we'll focus on finding equation of a line. So graph by finding three ordered pairs. Just plug and chug. Put a number in for x, see what y would have to be. Now if you want to do a table, that's fine with me. I'm going to put in 0. 2 times 0 is 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Let's put in 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 1 is 1. Put in 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 1 is 5. Then plot the points. 0, negative 1. 1, 1. 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect the dots. Whee! Excuse me. That's all there is to it. Just put a number in for one of the variables and see what the other variable would have to be. Now, right now, find three other pairs and graph it, then turn me back on. Well, it wasn't so bad, was it? Let's put 1 in for x. 3 times 1 is 3. Now subtract 3 to get y by itself. 6 minus 3 is 3. Let's put in 2 for x. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now let's put 0 in for y. So you'd have 3x plus 0, which is 3x equals 6. Divide by 3, x is 2. So plot it. 2, 0. 1, 3, and, I got 2, 0 twice. Well, sorry about that. Let's put 0 in for x. This drops out. 3 times 0, y equals 6. Yoo-hoo. So, yeah, you don't want to use the same one twice. That was kind of special. So, 0, 6 would be about right there. There we go. Ooh, that's a horrible line. Now, find intercepts. Go ahead. Turn me off. Find the XY intercept graph. Find the XY intercept, graph it. Then turn me back on. Okay. So, x-intercept. Put 0 in for y. So we'd have 0. 0 equals 1/2 x plus 1. Subtract 1. Multiply both sides by 2. Negative 1 times 2, negative 2. So my x-intercept is negative 2. To find the y-intercept, put 0 in for x. So this drops out, so the y-intercept is 1. So you put a dot at negative 2 for the x-intercept, 1 for the y-intercept. Easy. Oh my god, I don't know. So did you already do this one? If you already did it, okay, I'm going to do it now. If you didn't do it, turn me off and do it. So the x-intercept, put 0 here. 2x equals 6, so x is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Y-intercept, put 0 in for x. 3 times 2 is 6, so it'd be 2. Oh my goodness. This is easier than I thought, Mr. Murphy. It is. It is. Now the last three. Graph by finding the slope and y-intercept. Now remember, technically the slope is m and the y-intercept is b. Why b? I have no idea. So turn me off, do those three, and then turn me back on. Well, if it's solved for y, then the slope is 1/2 the number times x. The y-intercept is 2. So put a dot at 2, our starting point, and then the slope 1/2 would be up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. There we go. Let's look at this. It's already solved for y. Oh my goodness, thank you, Ms. Murphy. This is so easy. Yes, it is. So the y-intercept, or let's do the slope is negative 2, the number times x. The y-intercept is 3, our starting point. So 3 and then negative 2 would be down 2, right 1. The top number is always up or down. So negative 2 is the same as negative 2 over 1. So be down 2, right 1. Yes. So here, you could find two ordered pairs, find the slope, and then put 0 in for x to find the y-intercept. Or solve it for y. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides to get the y a term by itself. Now divide by negative 2. So y equals 3/2, because two negatives make a positive, x minus 2. 4 divided by negative 2 is minus 2. So the slope is 3/2, and b is negative 2. B is the y-intercept, negative 2. So it's up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2. Top number is always up or down. Bottom number is always left or right, depending if it's positive or negative. So up 3 over 2. Whee! So I wanted to do a little bit of individualized work here. That's all this is. Then, like I said, tomorrow I'm going to do the find the equation of a line and slope, intercept, and standard. That might be 2 videos we'll have to see. We'll include parallel and perpendicular too. But hey, you got a little start today. Have a good day. Don't forget to say your prayers.